I come back from vacation to find the market taking a lazy stroll down toward our B wave target. Is it ever going to get there? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so before I went on vacation, I gave some pretty clear parameters on what I thought the market would do moving forward. It either needed to push through 4550 in a more direct route towards 4600 or pull back in wave B towards 4470. It has clearly chosen to pull back in wave B and has taken the longest possible route to get there. I'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, so I got back from vacation late last night, so I wasn't able to put out a video for Wednesday, but I do have one for you today, and to be honest with you, not a whole lot has changed since I left. The market has moved down, and it is doing it slowly in a more ABCDE pattern. And as always, this is best seen on the charts, so let's jump in and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute futures chart, and there's been a lot of overlap and chop in this move down. It has created a really nice downward channel where it has touched top and bottom and kept the channel pretty much intact the entire time. And as I said, it's trading kind of an A, B, C, D, and then E down towards the 4470 region to complete the B wave is how this is looking. Until it breaks this uptrend line, the pressure is down and looking towards the 4470 region. So not a whole lot has changed as far as the parameters. Now we're eyeballing 4470 to add to our position and cost average down, looking to bounce up towards 4600 from there. Now, should the market push down and break the downline channel, our next support is the 4450 range, and that's still well within the B range box. It's just at the lower end of it. So if it does break through 4470, we would look for support at 4450 at that point. So with those two possibilities in mind, our current plan looks like this. The first thing we will look for is just the follow through of this pattern, the D up to the here to hit the bottom of this trend line one more time, and then the E down towards 4470. Now, if we break directly out over this trend line through D, then we will hold on to the current position we have and leave it as is. If we hit the trend line and bounce off of it as expected down toward the E, we will wait to see a bounce down here that we can buy the second half of our position and cost average down. However, if we don't get that bounce and it does push through, we'll look to do that at the 4550 region and cost average down there. So we're looking for a bottomy bounce setup to push us back towards that 4600 target. But until we get that setup, we're not going to add to our position. So if it just blows through this down trend line and keeps going, we're going to let it run to the 4450 region and look to add there. This structure is very corrective, very overlappy. It does not look like a sustained move down in my opinion. So I do not expect this to be the bigger correction we're looking for later this month. So other than it looking like they're going to use the B wave route before heading towards 4600, not much has changed since last week when I left. Guys, if you like the information that I put out in this video and you want real-time market updates from me to know, say, when we're going to add to our position down here, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description, okay? It'll take you over to Facebook. When you get over there, you'll see my group, but you have to get accepted into my group. The only thing I ask for you to get accepted into my Facebook group is to subscribe to this channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and head over to Facebook. When you get inside my Facebook group, you just go to this announcements tab, you scroll down, and you'll see our documented trades that tell you exactly what we've traded so far, as well as a link to my Slack channel. Now this link just takes you over to Slack, which is a free chat channel. And inside there, I'm on all day during market hours, giving market updates, giving out buy and sell alerts on my trades, and answering all of your questions. It's a very talented group of traders in there. We would love to have you in there so we can make some money together. And as a bonus, in the next week or so, I'll be making an announcement that only the people on the Slack channel will get. So you'll want to be in there for that. Okay, guys, so key takeaways for today. We are going to watch to see if they can fill out this D and E on the pattern here overnight and into tomorrow. And if they do, we'll look to add to our position down here. However, if they move up and blow through this down trend line and start the move up from here, then we will hold on to our current position and take the ride up from there. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.